Today we talk about how can you add Watermark on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on Watermark here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to take you to this list. Here we find Watermark, or just click here on add. So then here can you select it in this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. And here can you edit here in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.